आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. क्या कोई परेशानी है? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. You can tell me. You can tell me. मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. I won't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone. आप मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हैं. You can trust me. You can trust me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. कुछ तो हुआ है. Something has happened. Something has happened. तुम मुझसे कुछ छिपा रही हो. You are hiding something from me. You are hiding something from me. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. क्या पता मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकूं? Who knows if I can help you? Who knows if I can help you? ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. There is no such thing. There is no such thing. मैं बस थोड़ा परेशान हूं. I'm just a little worried. I'm just a little worried. चलो घूमने चलते हैं. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. चलो तुम्हारा मूड सेट करते हैं. Let's set your mood. Let's set your mood. चलो कुछ अच्छा सा खाते हैं. Let's eat something tasty. Let's eat something tasty. क्या तुम मूवी देखने चल रही हो? Are you going to watch a movie? Are you going to watch a movie? नहीं, मैं नहीं आऊंगी. No, I will not come. No, I will not come. मुझे अपना होमवर्क करना है. I have to do my homework. I have to do my homework. कल स्कूल में मेरा टेस्ट है. I have a test in school tomorrow. I have a test in school tomorrow. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है. I have to study. I have to study. तुम बहुत पढ़ाई करते हो. You study a lot. You study a lot. वो आ रहा है. He is coming. He is coming. कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming? Who's coming? तुम्हारा भाई आ रहा है. Your brother is coming. Your brother is coming. वो तुम्हें पीटेगा. He will beat you. He will beat you. जल्दी भागो यहां से. Run away from here quickly. Run away from here quickly. पता नहीं क्या होगा. Don't know what will happen. Don't know what will happen. वो बहुत गुस्से वाला इंसान है. He is a very angry person. He is a very angry person. उसे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make him angry. Don't make him angry. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूं और आप कैसे हैं? I'm fine and how are you? I'm fine and how are you? मैं भी ठीक हूँ. I am also fine. I am also fine. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? मैं एक प्राइवेट कंपनी में जॉब करता हूँ. I work in a private company. I work in a private company. आपकी तनख्वाह कितनी है? What is your salary? What is your salary? मेरी तनख्वाह 10,000 रुपये महीना है. My salary is 10,000 rupees per month. My salary is 10,000 rupees per month. आप कितना बचा लेते हैं? How much do you save? How much do you save? मैं 5,000 रुपये महीना बचा लेता हूँ. I save 5,000 rupees per month. I save 5,000 rupees per month. आप सही कह रही हैं. You are doing the right thing. You are doing the right thing. दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहो. Don't depend on others. Don't depend on others. क्या आप दूसरों पर निर्भर रहते हैं? Do you depend on others? Do you depend on others? क्या आप कर सकते हैं? Can you do? Can you do? हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ. Yes I can. Yes I can. मैं नहीं कर सकता. I can't. I can't. कोशिश तो करके देखो. At least try it. At least try it. क्या पता तुमसे हो जाए. Don't know may it happen to you. Don't know may it happen to you. हार मत मानो. Don't lose courage. Don't lose courage. तुम सब कुछ कर सकती हो. You can do everything. You can do everything. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है. This is not a new thing. This is not a new thing. ये कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है. This is not a difficult task. This is not a difficult task. इसमें तुम्हें कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will it take to you? How much time will it take to you? मैं इसे 15 मिनट में कर दूंगा. I will do it in 15 minutes. I will do it in 15 minutes. क्या सच में? Really? Really? आप कर सकते हैं. You can do it. You can do it. कोशिश करने में क्या जाता है? What's the point in trying? What's the point in trying? मैं हिम्मत हारने वालों में से नहीं हूं. I am not one to lose courage. I am not one to lose courage. मैं कभी हार नहीं मानता. I never give up. I never give up. मैं सब कुछ करना चाहता हूं. I want to do everything. I want to do everything. मेरी जिंदगी मुश्किलों से भरी पड़ी है. My life is full of difficulties. My life is full of difficulties. लेकिन मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा. But I will not give up. But I will not give up. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. तुम्हें क्या पता है? What do you know? What do you know? मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. तुम्हें किसने बताया? Who told you? Who told you? मुझे राहुल ने बताया. Rahul told me. Rahul told me. राहुल बहुत चुगलखोर इंसान है. राहुल इज अ वेरी गॉसिपी पर्सन. राहुल इज अ वेरी गॉसिपी पर्सन. मुझे उससे बात करनी पड़ेगी. I will have to talk to him. I will have to talk to him. मैं आगे से उसे कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी. I won't tell him anything from now on. I won't tell him anything from now on. वो इसी लायक है. He deserves this. He deserves this. मैंने ये उम्मीद नहीं की थी. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. मैंने उस पर बहुत भरोसा किया. I trust him a lot. I trust him a lot. वो मेरे भरोसे के लायक नहीं. He is not worthy of my trust. He is not worthy of my trust. मैं उससे कभी बात नहीं करूंगी. I will never talk to him. I will never talk to him. मैं अपना काम खुद करूंगी. I will do my work myself. I will do my work myself. वो धोखेबाज है. He is a fraud. He is a fraud. उससे दूर रहो. Stay away from him. Stay away from him. वो तुम्हें नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है. He can harm you. He can harm you. वो दिमागी तौर पर परेशान है. He is mentally disturbed. He is mentally disturbed. उसे डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है. He needs a doctor. He needs a doctor. वो मेरी बात नहीं मानता. He doesn't listen to me. He doesn't listen to me. वो डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाता. He doesn't go to the doctor. He doesn't go to the doctor. उसने कहा कि वो ठीक है. He said he was fine. He said he was fine. लेकिन वो ठीक नहीं है. But he is not well. But he is not well. उसे डॉक्टर की सख्त ज़रूरत है. He is in dire need of a doctor. He is in dire need of a doctor. उसकी जान खतरे में है. His life is in danger. His life is in danger. तुम्हें डॉक्टर से मिलना चाहिए. You should see a doctor. You should see a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go to the doctor. I will not go to the doctor. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing happened to me. Nothing happened to me. मैं तंदुरुस्त हूँ. I am healthy. I am healthy. क्या हुआ है मुझे? What has happened to me? What has happened to me? ठीक तो हूँ मैं. I am fine. I am fine. ऐसी बात मत करो. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. अपना मुंह बंद रखो. Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. मैं अपना काम खुद कर लूँगा. I will do my work myself. I will do my work myself. तुम अपना देखो. You look at yours. You look at yours. क्या तुम चाय पियोगे? Would you like to have tea? Would you like to have tea? हाँ मैं चाय पीऊँगा. Yes, I will drink tea. Yes, I will drink tea. मैं चाय बहुत अच्छी बनाती हूँ. I make very tasty tea. I make very tasty tea. चाय में चीनी थोड़ी कम डालना. Put a little less sugar in tea. Put a little less sugar in tea. मैं ज़्यादा चीनी नहीं खाता. I don't eat much sugar. I don't eat much sugar. मैं अपनी सेहत का बहुत ध्यान रखता हूँ. I take great care of my health. I take great care of my health. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं I am a health conscious. I am a health conscious. क्या तुम खाना खाओगे? Would you like to have food? Would you like to have food? नहीं मुझे भूख नहीं. No, I am not hungry. No, I am not hungry. आज दोपहर का खाना मैं यहीं खाऊंगा. I will eat lunch here today. I will eat lunch here today. तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत? How dare you? How dare you? तुम मुझसे कैसे बात कर रही हो? How are you talking to me? How are you talking to me? तुम पहले ऐसे कभी नहीं थे. You were never like this before. You were never like this before. क्या हुआ तुम्हें? What happened to you? What happened to you? मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing happened to me. Nothing happened to me. मैं बिल्कुल सही कर रहा हूँ. I am doing absolutely right. I am doing absolutely right. तुमने मेरे साथ ठीक नहीं किया. You did not treat me right. You did not treat me right. मैंने तुमसे कभी ये उम्मीद नहीं की थी. I never expected this from you. I never expected this from you. तुम ऐसे निकलोगे मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. I never thought you would turn out like this. I never thought you would turn out like this. तुमने मेरा दिल तोड़ दिया. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget. I will never forget. मेरी जिंदगी से दूर चले जाओ. Go away from my life. Go away from my life. मेरी जिंदगी में फिर कभी मत आना. Don't even come into my life again. Don't even come to in my life again. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? तुम धोखेबाज हो. You are a fraud. You are a fraud. कोई तुमसे कैसे प्यार कर सकता है? How can someone love you? How can someone love you? आप क्या कर रही हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. I am studying. I am studying. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. I am going to school. I am going to school. आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? मुझे ऐसा करना पड़ा. I had to do this. I had to do this. ये मेरी मजबूरी थी. This was my compulsion. This was my compulsion. वो दिल का बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. He is a very good person at heart. He is a very good person at heart. वो तुम्हारी बात जरूर समझेगा. He will definitely understand what you say. He will definitely understand what you say. वो एक समझदार इंसान है. He is a sensible person. He is a sensible person. वो तुम्हारी मदद जरूर करेगा. He will definitely help you. He will definitely help you. मेरी उसने मदद की थी. He had helped me. He had helped me. वो सबकी मदद करता है. He helps everyone. He helps everyone. वो दल बदलू इंसान है. He is a turncoat. He is a turncoat. मुझे ऐसे इंसानों से नफरत है. I hate people like this. I hate people like this. ऐसे इंसानों पर कभी भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. Can never trust such people. Can never trust such people. वो तुम्हें गहरी चोट पहुंचा सकता है. He can hurt you deeply. He can hurt you deeply. उनसे दूर रहो. Stay away from them. Stay away from them. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. हम फिर कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? अब हम कल मिलेंगे. Now we will meet tomorrow. Now we will meet tomorrow. वीडियो को बार बार देखो. Watch this video again and again. Watch this video again and again. अंग्रेजी बोलने का अभ्यास करें. Practice speaking English. Practice speaking English. सभी वाक्यों को अपनी जिंदगी में आजमाएं. Try all sentences in your life. Try all sentences in your life. आप जल्द ही अंग्रेजी सीख जाएंगे. You will learn English soon. You will learn English soon. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.